Hello, everyone. Today we'll guide everyone. Download game FC Mobile Soccer or FIFA Mobile Soccer on a PC or laptop. Then you can download the game FC Mobile Soccer back on the computer. Then we need to use an Android PC emulator. And in this video, I'm going to use the Ldplayer emulator. And now I'm going to start guiding people. People will go into a browser. Next, everyone will go to Ldplayer's homepage. I'll put the link below the video description. People click on the link. It will come to this page. Now everyone will choose to download Ldplayer 9. To load emulator. When it's finished, people will click the left mouse button here to proceed with the installation. Everyone chooses yes. Select install. Now, people will wait for the Ldplayer emulator to download to the computer. After downloading, I will continue to guide everyone how to play FC Mobile Soccer. After installation, everyone chooses start to open the emulator. Now, we will download the game FC Mobile Soccer offline. Everyone has a system, apps. Select Play Store. People enter Google accounts or your Gmail account. People choose to sign in. Please enter your account. Select Next. Enter your password. Select Next. Choose I agree. Choose More. Choose Accept. You will find FC Mobile Soccer here. People choose to enter. People select Install to proceed with the installation. Now, we will wait for the FC Mobile game to download the emulator. Then we'll go to the game to try it out. After loading, everyone will turn off this tab. Go to FC Mobile Soccer to try it out. I'll show you how to set up Ldplayer. Everyone will go to the menu section for themselves. Select Settings. High Configuration Computer. People will choose 1920 for themselves. Mid-range configuration computer. People will choose 1600. Low-profile PC. People choose 1280. I would choose 1920. For RAM and CPU, people to default themselves. People continue to give me the model. People will choose the model. Whatever model people choose, people choose. Next, everyone will go to the game settings. PC low profile, people to default. High profile computers, people choose to enter. And everyone chooses max for FPS. Select Confirm. Select Save Settings. Select Restart Now. Now I'm going to the game to play. Everyone enters their date of birth. After entering, everyone chooses Continue. People choose to accept. People choose to confirm. So we'll get a quick update. Select OK. Everyone will log into their account. Who uses a Facebook account? Then people will download more Chrome apps for themselves. I'm going to come back out here. Go to System Apps. Select Play Store. People download this app for themselves. It's finished. Everybody turn it off. Get back to the FC mobile game. I will log into my Facebook account. Everyone will choose their own account. Select Overwrite Guest. I'm going to a game to try. To zoom people, press F11. To shrink people, press F11. The LD emulator has a built-in button for everyone. People want to edit. People will choose to enter this symbol. People edit for. People choose the handle. People edit for the keyboard. People choose the keyboard. As you can see here, the Ldplayer emulator has this button built in for us. If people want to edit, then people fix it. Here it will leave the default. After editing, I will select Save. I'll try the ice now. Then I finished the instructions. How to download and install FC Mobile Soccer. Back to PC or a laptop. People watch the video and it looks good. If you find it helpful, remember to give yourself a like. Share a channel subscription please. Thank you very much.